PLTR analysis. General overview and trend. PLTR has experienced significant volatility over the past 3 months with a generally upward trajectory despite recent weakness. Starting from 123.31 on the 23rd of May, the stock reached a peak of 187.99 on the 7th of August before declining to 156.01 on the 20th of August. The overall trend remains positive, though the recent pullback suggests some profit-taking after the substantial rally. The stock has shown resilience with higher highs and higher lows, characteristic of an uptrend, but the recent decline indicates potential consolidation or correction. Price and volume. Price movements were accompanied by substantial volume throughout the period. Notable high-volume days include the 30th of May with 185,897,579 shares as the price jumped from 123.53 to 131.78, and the 19th of August with 137,922,722 shares during the decline. The most recent day, the 20th of August, saw volume of 220,336,359 shares as the price dropped from 171.36 to 156.01, indicating significant selling pressure. The high volume during the decline suggests strong distribution and potential trend weakening. Moving averages EMA and SMA. The moving averages reveal a mixed picture with shorter-term averages below longer-term ones, indicating recent weakness. The 5-day EMA at 166.3199 is below the 5-day SMA at 169,196, suggesting short-term bearish momentum. Similarly, the 10-day EMA at 170.2135 is below the 10-day SMA at 176,916. The current price at 156.01 is below most moving averages, confirming the recent bearish turn. The VWAP at 102,003 is significantly below the current price, suggesting the stock is trading above the average price paid by traders, which could indicate potential support at lower levels. Technical indicators. Momentum indicators. MACD at 5:26.62 is positive, but the MACD histogram at -3:0211 is negative, indicating weakening bullish momentum. RSI 14 at 42.5413 is in neutral territory, suggesting balanced buying and selling pressure. MFI 14 at 42.5821 also indicates neutral conditions. Trend indicators. ADX 14 at 29.0232 and ADXR 14 at 25.0587 indicate moderate trend strength. ARUN down at 100.0 and ARUN up at 76.0 signal a developing downtrend with the ARUN oscillator at -42.8571 confirming bearish dominance. Parabolic SAR at 187.0143 is above the current price, supporting the bearish outlook. Volatility indicators. Bollinger Bands show the upper band at 193,587, middle band at 169,082, and lower band at 144,577. The current price is trading below the middle band, suggesting bearish momentum. ATR 14 at 7.8287 reflects recent price volatility. Volume indicators. Chaikin oscillator at 10291460, 1311 is positive, suggesting some accumulation despite the price decline. OBV at 22954776430 is positive, indicating overall buying pressure throughout the period, though recent selling pressure has increased. Linear regression. While exact linear regression values aren't provided, the price movement suggests a positive slope in the regression line over the 3-month period, confirming an overall upward trend. However, the recent decline has flattened this trajectory, suggesting potential consolidation or correction. Next trading day opening prediction. Given the recent decline and high volume, PLTR may open lower in the next session, potentially around 155 to 160. The bearish momentum and technical indicators suggest continued weakness, though the stock may find support near key moving averages. Support and resistance analysis. The current price at 156.01 is below most moving averages, which now act as resistance. Immediate resistance is around 160, followed by 170, recent high. Support levels are at the 50-day SMA, 152.6604, and 50-day EMA, 154.2927. Given the proximity to these supports, the stock may find some stability in this range. The 200-day SMA at 105,194 and EMA at 105.2466 provide longer-term support, though a decline to these levels would represent a significant drop. Intraday ATR 14 based potential high and low. ATR 14 at 7.8287 suggests potential intraday high around 156.01 plus 7.8287 equals 163.8387 and potential low around 156.01, 7.8287 equals 148.1813. Given recent volatility, the actual range may be wider, particularly if selling pressure continues. Possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. If the stock finds support near current levels, PLTR could rebound toward 170 resistance. Positive MACD and Chaikin oscillator support this possibility, though it would require renewed buying interest to overcome recent selling pressure. Neutral scenario. The stock may consolidate between 150 and 165 as the market digests recent gains and losses, leading to sideways movement with minor fluctuations. This would allow technical indicators to normalize before the next directional move. Bearish scenario. The recent decline could continue, with the stock breaking below key support levels toward the 200-day moving averages around 105. High volume during the decline and bearish technical indicators support this scenario, potentially representing a deeper correction of the recent rally. Conclusion. PLTR has experienced significant volatility with an overall upward trend, but recent weakness suggests potential consolidation or correction. Technical indicators show mixed signals with bearish momentum dominating in the short term. Investors should monitor key support levels around 152 to 155 for signs of stabilization. The next few days will be crucial in determining whether the stock resumes its uptrend or enters a deeper correction phase. The high volume during the decline indicates strong investor participation and suggests the next directional move could be significant.